Hello children, today we are going to begin lesson number 6, parts of a plant. Now today I am giving you reading. So children, open your science textbook and keep your fingers. Lesson number 6, parts of a plant. In this lesson, we will read and learn about parts of a plant, the root, the stem, the leaf, the flower, fruits and seeds. Plants also have different parts like that of a body, human body. The plant is basically divided into two parts, the root system and the shoot system. This is a flower, stem, bud, fruit, branch, leaf. The shoot system. Up of the ground it is known as a shoot, and down to the ground it is known as a root. The part of a plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot, and the parts of the plants that grows below the soil is called the root. The shoot is further divided into many parts like stems, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds. The root. Root are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and various other small roots grow from its sides, it is a taproot. Plants like balsam, bean and mustard have taproot. Fibrous root. When a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is a fibrous root. Plants like rice, wheat, onion and grass, etc. have fibrous roots. Functions of the root. The root perform very important function. They hold the plant firmly in the ground. They spread out in the soil and absorb water and minerals needed for the growth of the plant. Some roots store food for the plants like carrot, radish and turnip. We eat these roots as vegetables. Roots prevent soil erosion by holding the soil and saving it from flowing away with the flow of the water. Did you know aerial roots grow down from the trees in the air? This is a carrot, turnip, radish. Roots that store the food. Did you know roots are white in color? The stem. The stem grows above the ground. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and supports its branches. It carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots up to the leaves. In the same way, it carries food prepared by the leaves up to the parts of the plants. Hard and woody stem of a tree is known as a trunk. Some stems can store extra food. For example, sugarcane. Some stems grow under the ground like ginger and potato. We eat these underground stems as a vegetable. Transformation of food, minerals and water to all the parts of a plant. Money plant stem is a weak. It needs a support to climb up. This is a potato, sugarcane, ginger. So children, today's homework is you have to read this 5 times.